Happy morning students. Coming back to our topic coordinate geometry. Today we are going to see exercise 3.3. The first problem, in which quadrant or on which axis do each of the points minus 2, 4, 3, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 1, minus 2, 1, 2 and minus 3, minus 5 lies. Verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. So I am going to locate these points in a graph. Now coming to the solution, we are dividing the graph into x-axis and y-axis and marking the units, points which are fixed at an equal distance. So marking the measurements on your x dash horizontal line and marking the measurements on y dash, where this x-axis and y-axis divides the plane into 4 quadrants. We are going to plot the points in the quadrants. So my first coordinate will be minus 2, 4, where my x value is minus 2 and y value is 4. Now I am going to the negative of x-axis, where my minus 2 will lie on the negative of my x-axis. Just go straight to the positive value of 4. So the intersection of minus 2 and 4 reaches at this point here. So plotting my point as minus 2, 4 here. Now coming to the next point, this minus 2, 4 lies in the second quadrant. Now coming to the next point, 3, minus 1. So coming to the positive of x-axis, where placing your point 3 here, just go down to the negative of y-axis, stopping here at minus 1, just the intersection of 3 with the minus 1, you will be having the point here, where this point is 3, minus 1. This lies on the fourth quadrant. The third coordinate is minus 1, 0, where you have the y coordinate as 0. Since your y coordinate is 0, this minus 1, 0, it lies on the x-axis. So now coming to the negative part of the x-axis, since it is minus 1, 0, it lies on the x-axis. So the negative side of your x-axis. So I am plotting the point here on the number line. So minus 1, 0, this point here. Now the fourth coordinate is 1, 2. Since both my x-axis, x coordinate and y coordinate are positive, so it must be plotting on the first quadrant. So where my y value is 2 and x value is 1. So I am just keeping here 1, going straight to my y-axis 2. So the intersection of 1, 2 will be plotting the point here. Now coming to the last point, minus 3, minus 5. So both were negative values. So I am just going down here. So going to the left side of my x-axis, negative of my x-axis, minus 3, and going down and reaching the y-axis, negative of y-axis, minus 5. Thus the intersection of minus 3 and minus 5, we are plotting the point here. So this point is minus 3, minus 5. It lies on the third quadrant. So now I am going to write this. So I have written minus 2, 4 in the second quadrant, 3, minus 1 in the fourth quadrant, minus 1, 0 on the negative x-axis, 1, 2 first quadrant, minus 3, minus 5 lies on the third quadrant. Second problem, plot the points x, y given in the following table on the plane. Choose suitable units of distance on the axis. He has given the tabular column where he has given the x coordinate value and y coordinate value. So we want to plot the coordinates on the Cartesian plane. Now I am taking the points, writing separately. The points to be plotted on the Cartesian plane are minus 2, 8, minus 1, 7, 0, minus 1.25, 1, 3 and 3, minus 1. we are going to plot these points in the graph. Going to the graph, dividing the graph into x-axis and y-axis, we are going to plot the points in the quadrants. The first point is minus 2, 8. So going to the negative of x-axis minus 2 here. So minus 2, go straight and just y is equal to 8. So where the intersection of minus 2, 8 lies at this point, where my y-axis will be 8 and the x-axis will be minus 2. So the meeting point is minus 2, 8. Now going to the next point, minus 1, 7, x-axis minus 1, going upwards, stopping at y is equal to 7. So the intersection point here is minus 1, 7. The third point is 0, minus 1.25, where the x value is 0. So it lies on the y-axis. So my coordinate 0, minus 1.25 lies on the negative of my y-axis, where this minus 1.25, it lies between minus 1 to minus 1.5. So marking 0, minus 1.25 on my negative y-axis. Now going to the fourth point, 1, 3. So x-axis 1, going upward, y-axis 3. My intersection point is 1, 3. Now my fourth point is 3, minus 1. So now keep your point on x-axis 3, going down, y-axis will be minus 1. So the intersection of 3, minus 1 lies in the fourth quadrant. So now third problem, plot the following points and write the name of the figure obtained by joining them in order. Point P, the coordinate is minus 3, 2. Point Q, minus 7, minus 3. Point R, 6, minus 3. Point S, 2, 2. We are going to plot these points in the graph and we are going to join this in order to see the figure obtained. Now we are going to plot the points in the graph. So the first coordinate is P point minus 3, 2, where my x value is minus 3, y value is 2, minus 3, 2. So where my y-axis is 2, x-axis minus 3. So I am plotting the point here as minus 3, 2. Now coming to the next point Q, my coordinate is minus 7, minus 3, where my x-axis point is minus 7 and y-axis point is minus 3, where the intersection point is Q, minus 7, minus 3. Now going to the point R, where R point is 6, minus 3, x-axis is 6, y-axis is 3. So R point is 6, minus 3. Now going to the S point, 2, 2, x-axis is 2, y-axis is 2. So my intersection point is 2, 2. Now I am going to join the figure here, PQRS. So when I join PQRS, I get the figure of a trapezium. Thus the trapezium figure is obtained. Fourth problem, plot the points A, whose coordinate is 4, 4, B minus 4, 4, and join OA, OB and BA. What figure do you obtain? So we are going to plot these points in the graph and joining this we are going to determine what figure will they obtain. Now coming to the graph, we are drawing a x-axis and y-axis where we are marking the measurements on the x-axis and y-axis as 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter on x-axis and y-axis. Now plotting the point A, where A is 4, 4, where my x value is 4 and y value is 4, where the intersection point of 4, 4 will be the point A here. So I am marking A as 4, 4. Now going to the B point, B is minus 4, 4, where my x value is minus 4, moving upward to the positive y-axis. So y-axis is 4. So x-axis is minus 4, where minus 4 comma 4, where the intersection point is B minus 4 comma 4. Now I am going to join OA, OB, where O is the origin, that is 0 comma 0. So I am just joining my OA, OB and BA. So thus the figure obtained will be the triangle. Now fifth problem, plot the points A 2 comma 0, B 2 comma 2, C 0 comma 2 and join OA, AB, BC and OC. What figure do you obtain? Now we are going to plot the points in the graph. Divide the graph into x-axis and y-axis and mark the measurements in the x-axis and y-axis as 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Now we are going to plot the points A, B, C in the graph, where A is 2 comma 0, where my y-axis is 0 here. So I will get the coordinate 2 comma 0. This coordinate will be on the x-axis. So my A point 2 comma 0 will be plotting on the line of x-axis. Now going to the point B. B is 2 comma 2. So where both x and y-axis will be positive. So it will be plotted in the first quadrant. So where my x-axis is 2 and y-axis is 2. So my intersecting point is B 2 comma 2. Now going to C. C coordinate is 0 comma 2. Since my x-axis is 0 here, this coordinate 0 comma 2 will be lying on the y-axis. So my point 0 comma 2 will be lying on the positive line of the y-axis. So I am plotting the point here as 0 comma 2. Now we are going to join AB, BC, CO, and already AO line is there. Now we are going to see what figure is obtained here, where from 0 to A we have 2 units, 0 to 1, 1 to 2. So whose length OA will be 2 units, where AB, similarly AB is also 0 to 1, 1 to 2. So you have 2 units in length. BC is also 2 units is length and CO is also 2 units. Thus all the sides of the figure will be 2 units. So this figure obtained is a square. So OABC is a square.